Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a deep dive into one of the best brown utility belts for cosplay and costume enthusiasts. The DP Cosplay Belt with Pockets and Pouches Bag. If you're looking for a high-quality, versatile accessory to complete your Halloween look or enhance your cosplay game, this is definitely one you'll want to consider. First off, let's talk about the materials. This belt is made from a combination of soft resin and PU leather. It's not only durable but also comfortable to wear for extended periods. Whether you're dressing up for a Halloween party or a cosplay event, the belt is adjustable to fit various sizes, making it a practical choice for a wide range of users. The leather construction also gives it a premium feel that's perfect for anyone looking to elevate their outfit. The DP Cosplay Belt comes with a very unique design, featuring a stylish weight buckle that immediately grabs attention. This buckle adds an authentic touch, making it perfect for character reenactments from movies or TV shows. The belt includes several pouches and pockets, which are more than just decorative. These functional compartments are ideal for carrying small essentials like keys, phones, or even cosplay props, making the belt as practical as it is stylish. One of the standout features of this belt is the sword back harness, which allows you to carry your sword securely and comfortably. Whether you're dressing up as a hero or a villain, this addition really takes your costume to the next level by offering both utility and flair. This feature is especially popular for those into action-packed roles or those who simply love a bit of swordplay in their cosplay. It's important to note that while this belt is made from durable materials, it is recommended to dry clean it to ensure that it stays in top condition. The quality craftsmanship is evident, and the attention to detail in its design makes it stand out in the sea of other costume accessories. Plus, if you're looking to complete a specific look, whether it's a western, medieval, or superhero style, the DP Cosplay Belt blends seamlessly with a wide range of costumes. Now, the belt is not just for Halloween. It's perfect for any dress-up party, role-playing event, stage performance, or cosplay convention. If you're a fan of masquerade balls or cosplay, this belt will definitely help you make a statement. It's designed to appeal to cosplayers of all kinds, whether you're portraying a beloved movie character or creating your own unique look. The DP Cosplay Belt is available for $42.99, which is a reasonable price considering the quality and versatility of the product. And, with a generous return policy that lets you return it until January 2025, you can shop with peace of mind knowing that you're making a risk-free purchase. In conclusion, if you're in the market for a brown utility belt that combines style, function, and durability, the DP Cosplay Belt with Pockets and Pouches is a fantastic choice. It's not just a piece of costume gear, it's an investment in making your character come to life. So whether you're gearing up for Halloween, a cosplay convention, or any dress-up event, this belt will definitely help you stand out from the crowd. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more in-depth reviews from Product Critique. Until next time, stay stylish and keep critiquing.